Snake. Snakes are long, legless reptiles found in many parts of the world. They move by slithering and use their tongues to sense the environment. Some snakes are venomous, while others are harmless, and they play an important role in controlling pests. Lizard. Lizards are reptiles with 4 legs and long tails. They are found in deserts, forests, and even homes. Lizards can lose their tails to escape predators and later regrow them, making them unique among reptiles. Crocodile. Crocodiles are large, powerful reptiles that live in rivers, lakes, and swamps. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth used for catching prey. Crocodiles are ancient animals and have existed for millions of years. Alligator. Alligators are similar to crocodiles, but are usually found in freshwater environments. They have a broader snout and a darker body. Alligators are strong hunters and are mostly found in the United States and China. Turtle. Turtles are reptiles known for their hard shells that protect their bodies. They live both on land and in water. Turtles move slowly and are known for their long lifespan. Tortoise. Tortoises are land-dwelling reptiles with heavy dome-shaped shells. They have strong legs for walking on land. Tortoises are herbivores and can live for many decades. Gecko. Geckos are small lizards known for their ability to climb walls and ceilings. They have sticky toe pads that help them grip surfaces. Geckos are often found in warm climates and are active at night. Chameleon. Chameleons are unique reptiles famous for changing their skin color. They have long tongues used to catch insects and eyes that can move independently. Chameleons use color change for communication and camouflage. Komodo Dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard in the world. It is found in Indonesia and has a strong body with sharp teeth. Komodo dragons are powerful predators and can hunt large animals. Iguana. Iguanas are large lizards found in tropical regions. They have spiny backs and long tails. Iguanas are mostly herbivores and are often seen resting in trees. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are strong and intelligent reptiles with long bodies and powerful limbs. They are found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Some species are skilled swimmers and hunters. Anaconda. Anacondas are large snakes found in South America. They are known for their massive size and strength. Anacondas kill their prey by squeezing them tightly. Python. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes found in Asia and Africa. They also use constriction to capture prey. Pythons are known for their patterned skin and powerful bodies. Skink. Skinks are small to medium-sized lizards with smooth, shiny scales. They often have short legs or no visible legs. Skinks are fast movers and are commonly found in warm regions. Gila Monster. The Gila Monster is a venomous lizard found in desert areas. It has a thick body with bright patterns on its skin. This reptile moves slowly but has a strong bite and uses venom for defense.